Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're gonna talk about a very important and vital thing related to e-commerce, or if you are selling your products through payhip, especially the digital products. Here is a very important question: how to get paid through payhip. We have here two options actually. We have the PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, you can easily connect it to payhip. So once the person purchases your product, for example, this is a digital download, no physical product will be shipped. You can add to cart or you can click buy now. Okay, here, because I'm logging in, you will find your email, and there are two options to buy this product or to pay for this product. Okay, you are the customer now. Okay, you know, you're not the seller. So the seller will receive his payment or her payment through two ways or two options: through PayPal or buy with card. So what is the difference? Okay, for example, here, if I'm the seller and I have a PayPal account, PayPal, you can log in to your account in PayPal and you can connect it easily, and you will find some videos on YouTube to that teach you how to connect your PayPal account to payhip. So once the customer purchases your product, you will get paid or get the money through your PayPal account. Okay, and there's some fees per transaction, as you know. Okay, however, if you do not connect your Stripe account, if you don't have a Stripe account, here I asked I contacted the customer service, and they clearly, here are the key points we conclude from the email. I received an email from them. Current payment setup: if you are using only PayPal, like me here, I only use PayPal to receive my money. As a seller, customers can pay by logging into their PayPal account easily or using guest checkout, credit or debit card without a PayPal account. Guest checkout limitations: availability of guest checkout is not guaranteed. It depends on PayPal's own settings, the customer's location, browser, PayPal's policies. Some customers may be forced to log in or create a PayPal account. Okay, if you connect your payhip to PayPal and Stripe, it will be very easy or very more flexible to ensure all customers can pay with a card, no PayPal account needed. Connect Stripe. Stripe allows direct card payments at checkout, bypassing PayPal entirely. Okay, so, and here your default currency, as you can see here, it is in dollars. Another currency like the English pound, for example. Okay, and you can find that here all of them are in dollars, as you see. And if you come here, you will find also free in dollars, and here, as you can see, different currencies. So you can put your preferred currency, no problem. And this is the points from using PayPal. You can receive any the money in any currency you want, and then you can transfer it to your bank account. Okay, so is Stripe suitable for small businesses? Yes, Stripe is very suitable for small businesses. Here is an easy setup, no monthly fees, professional checkout experience, Global payment support, no PayPal account required, built-in security and custom branding. However, bank payout timing, payouts usually take 2 to 7 days depending on your country, slightly higher fees for international cards. Like most processors, there is a small extra fee for non-local cards, requires legal setup. You will need a registered business and a bank account, though the sole proprietors are fine. So in conclusion, Stripe is highly recommended for small businesses, especially if you want to offer a seamless card payment option alongside or instead of PayPal. However, I see that it is for the experienced companies or individuals. You're absolutely right to notice the Stripe can feel geared toward experienced businesses. Here is a balanced view. Okay, as you see here, why Stripe seems for experienced users. Developer-focused tools. Stripe offers advanced API tools which are great for tech-savvy users or developers, but overwhelming for non-technical users. So dashboard has many features. The Stripe dashboard is powerful but can feel complex with features like subscriptions, invoicing, tax setup. So I do not recommend using Stripe if you are starting your own business from scratch or zero budget. So PayPal is your option. Okay. Here is full customization. Also, you can find it in Stripe. Why Stripe still works for beginners, small businesses, easy integration with platforms. Of course, it is very easy. If you're using payhip, Shopify, you will find you can connect as you see here. It is very easy. However, PayPal, I think this PayPal is your first option. And when you really make money and starts receiving payments and you can reach $100 a week, for example, or every 10 days, now you're making money. Okay, so you will think about growing your business more and more. So I do not recommend using Stripe if you are starting from scratch and you have zero budget or very low budget, especially that Stripe is not available in all countries. Stripe, okay, here this financial research to grow your revenue. So if you're starting from zero, I don't think that this will be your first option. We can here sign in. Let's see, and create account. So as you see here, we have some countries, Australia, not all countries are available. Only some countries you can select here. So I think that PayPal works very fine for you in the beginning. So the strategy is, if you do not have the clear strategy, I'm gonna tell you PayPal is very easy and free, and you can receive your money through payhip as you see here. If you start making money, real money, and your marketing strategy really works on social media, and you have many buyers, and you're familiar with the buyers, you will start getting money and you will grow your business, and then you can start connecting Stripe account. Okay, so this is all of this video. Stripe has a strong knowledge base and responsive support if you run into issues. This is because it is a high profile company, and it is it's also called, It's a very amazing payment gateway, but I don't think it is good for you to start with it. And here is payhip. So payhip here, to really make money on payhip, do not only depend on payhip itself. No, you have to have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. For example, just reach, you have to increase your reach. And you also can make your own website, and you can do that using Google Slides. Okay, really, by the way, it's really annoying to find these kinda videos. Breast pumping mom. We all know that this is not a breastfeeding tutorial. It is softcore porn. Really, this is what the one of the things that YouTube really cannot deal with it. I think it gets high view rates, and we all know that it's not educational. It's just 52 seconds and just to show her boobs. Okay, so this is unacceptable, by the way. It is very annoying to find these videos. So anyway, let's get back to a website. Make free website on Google. You'll find many videos actually, and really they are so helpful. You can make it with zero money. So the strategy is to have your website, Instagram, TikTok, and the other social media to increase your reach, and then you can connect your products on payhip to these platforms to let people know you. Okay, so for example, if you wanna open a shop at the area you're living in or you're living at, so you have to make advertisements and reach many people. Okay, do not only depend on people who are crossing by your shop. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.